Hey everybody, so today I'm going to give you all an update about Monday's storm. That's right. If you want to know what happened on Monday, well, it's actually a lot worse than just a rainstorm, really. There's more than that. So, a couple people near me said that they have lost power, but me. Luckily, I still have power. And yes, even if there was a power outage, I can still upload using my LG phone. The one I'm recording right now is a Motorola. But, yeah. I figured I'd give you all some advice about the Monday storm. It actually did a lot of damage, believe it or not. As far as I know, a lot of people are still working getting the power back on. Except for me, because we still have power, thank goodness. But Monday, it was like blowing so hard. It was also raining really hard. It was this and that. And I could show you all some damage, but unfortunately, I don't got a lot to show you right now. I'm sorry, but it's just the way it is right now. But basically, not the county that I'm in right now, but others are experiencing that too. So like here, it's about 200,000 maybe? Million? I don't know, but I think it's million, but yeah. About that is how much we lost power here. Except my house, because my house still has power, you know. Yeah, so basically, I saw a couple tree branches fell down, even mine, but luckily didn't hit anything. I mean, it even took out the largest tree branch. I mean, I'm talking about a real huge one. Not the base one, but like medium size. Yeah, that's what I mean. So, I believe that also fell off from high winds too. I mean, we had a real bad storm, severe thunderstorm, on Monday. My weather radio went off for it, of course. And it went off for severe thunderstorm watch, and then a couple hours later, it went off for a severe thunderstorm warning. And when the winds and rain pick up, I started panicking because the lights were like dimming and then brightening back up. Because I thought for sure it was going to go out, but luckily it didn't for us. But yeah, as far as I know, a lot of power here in Michigan, pretty much everywhere in Michigan, since I do live in the state of Michigan. But yeah, they're saying that all power would be restored by Thursday and be all done with it. So, and also, when I was driving by the other day, I saw a lot of tree branches fell down. I mean, there was like lots of outages, like traffic light outage, you know, this and that and so forth. But yeah, it was pretty bad, let me tell you that. And bad enough to where everyone like lost power, like 30% people. pretty crazy, you know. But yeah. I also heard that the tree even hit some houses. Well, not mine, but the other people. But yeah. And even made a power line spark. Even one of the power lines in a couple counties fell off and it was arcing. And yeah. So I guess that's all I'm gonna say. Now this video's been almost 6 minutes into it. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. More videos will come. See ya.